Alright, I'm going to attempt to install my NixOS configuration on the Intel NUC I have on my desk. So let's get started. I'm going to enter in the command NixOS bootstrap. Let's choose Lux. It's going to be direct, UEFI. We'll do max swap. Confirm. I will not create the installer because I already have one ready to go. So let's push the button. All right, now I'm going to hit F10 repeatedly while it starts up until I can catch the boot chooser. There we go. Select your boot device. All right. I think it's the last one. Hit OK. Now the NixOS installer is booting up. All right, so now that it's there, I'll click enter to continue, and it gives me this command to type in, which I will do right now. Sudo s and then bash command, which now is a script from my GitHub repo. Right, I've typed that in. I'll hit enter. Now it's starting. Now I have to choose where I'm going to install this. So I'm going to pick the NVMe storage. It's going to warn me. I'll click OK. And here we go. Alright, well, it finished all my custom stuff, and now it's doing the NixOS install, which will probably take a while. This is a two-step process. It actually installs an initial configuration called bootstrap, which is a lot simpler, more minimal, and it's a configuration that doesn't have any secrets on it, so there's no so it doesn't have the need to use any decryption. Once this installs, I'll be able to add the SSH host key on the NUC and add that to my repo as a public key that could be used to decrypt my secrets, and then from there we can install the LUX configuration without it having any problems decrypting the secrets. The most important one, of course, is the password, the user password. Won't be able to log in if that's not available. In the bootstrap configuration, the password is simply it matches the name of the user. Alright. Bootstrap install complete, reboot without installer media, and log in as root. Alright, and back here it says after it's finished, remove the installer disk and reboot into NixOS. Alright, so I'm going to pull that out. And reboot now. Off it goes. All right. There we go. So now we have our bootstrap login. Back on the laptop, press enter to continue. And now it's telling me to log in as root, and the password is also root. So I will type in root and root. And now we're logged in. Next, it wants me to figure out what the IP address is on here. So I'm supposed to type in IP for a, and then grep inet. And I didn't type grep right. Try it again. Grep inet. There we go. All right. So it looks like I got 192.168.220. All right, let's try that. 192.168.220. We'll try that. All right, found it. Added the key to my repo. Rekeyed all my secrets and pushed that back up. So now I'm supposed to type on the target computer NixOS bootstrap C LUX. So let's try that. NixOS bootstrap C LUX. All right. Grab the secrets. Now it's finishing the installation by switching to the Lux configuration. All right. Rebuild complete, reboot in 10 seconds, log in as user, and commit the generated hardware configuration to Git. And here it says that after it's finished, the target computer will automatically reboot into the Lux configuration. Press enter to continue. All right, that'll be it. Once this thing finishes, I guess the Lux configuration installed Plex Media Server, and Plex wasn't quite ready to stop yet, I guess, but it'll be forced into in a second here. All right. All right, got our second generation. Let that boot up. All right, there we are. Lux login. I'll just test my username, and I'll make sure I can get in. And I'm in. Now next I'll have to configure my additional disks, and I'll add that to my configuration, but we're up and running.